Come on, let's work together, make some great success together. I'm so excited to see you here.
And now this is going to go. Please go on. So what are you important? You can't do this guy. He run the show.
So now I want to tell you why you should join VSHR Pro Academy. So number one reason is this. The day you walk in the organization, if you've been already joining the team, from the first day you will know what is your career path, what you're going to look like, your career in first 3 years, after 5 years, after 7 years, you will know all about it. So every role in VSHR Pro Academy we have has a very clear roadmap. So you have a full opportunity to grow your career. You will never be stuck at one role. You have a lot of opportunity to move on. But not only that, you just don't need to be hungry, but also we will give you so many training and support to go into the next role, because you will clearly know what exactly you need to do, what exactly skill you need to develop to go to the next level in your career in VSHR Pro Academy. Exactly, you know, and you will try to get it, and we will give you all the skills. That is number two. VSHR Pro Academy has so many training programs to help you, to upskill you, to get the skill you need to go to the next level. So we will promote you, we want to support you, we want to show you how to do this one, and we really wanted to help you and place you on the next level of your career too. So let's an example. On the day one, you joining a business development manager, your next role will be sales director, and the following role will be a chief growth officer, or your role will be chief product officer. So you know your career path exactly. So if you're joining as let's say as a digital marketing intern, your next role will be digital marketing executive, and next role will be senior digital marketing executive, and then will be senior digital marketing strategist, and then your role will be senior marketing director, digital marketing director, and then will be chief marketing officer. So that's the way you will grow your career, and you will know exactly what are the skills that you need to build on, and the training of VSHR Pro Academy will help you to grab the skills and experience and to move on. So now the third reason you should join VSHR Pro Academy, the teamwork. We talk about teamwork. We love working everyone. We have a lot of people in organizations, and everyone is so smart and so humble and so hungry. We focus about team. Every problem we tackle together. We support each other and we help them to do it. So every people will take care of the people in the left. Everyone will take care of people in the right, and we'll work together to handle every challenge. You can always speak out, I need help. I don't know the solution. So there will be other people to walk to you and sit down with you and help you and show you how to move on, and you can solve those challenges too. So that's called a teamwork. We all work together as a team. So that's the things with the four reasons you should join. The leadership culture. Our team is so much leadership driven. It's not position driven, but very much about leaders and result driven. So we all work together, focusing about leaders. So one person will definitely be their own leader, and then there will be a bigger leader who will support them to move on as well too. Caring, support, inspire, result. We work together and make it happen. So that's the four reason. It's a very true leadership organization, cultural organization, not management. You do. It's all about you. No, it's all about us. We work together. That's the reason you should join, is the culture of leaderships. So the number 5 reason you should join is the international environment. So you can see this one. I'm not Vietnamese. I am an expat. The same time, we have different members in the program. We have RMIT University alumni. We have Monash University students. We have foreigners from other countries as well too. We work together. We have a very international cultures where we care about what does the idea come from. We don't really care. We don't care if we are right. We care about what is the best idea we have in the table. We pick that up. It can come from anywhere. It can come from the junior executive, or it can come from me, or it can come from another manager. It doesn't matter. We will find out who has the best idea, and we're going to work together to make it happen. If you are, like an example, junior executive, you have the best idea, and you have a better idea than me, not a problem. I'm going to scrap my own idea. I'm going to scrap it. I'm going to take your idea, and we're going to all work together and make it happen in reality. So that's called our international drive. So we talk about cultures, we talk about going out, meeting people. We love going out. Actually, every week there is something in team meetings, and then every quarter we have a team outing, dinners, drinks, catching up with other people. A lot of exciting things going on in our organization. So we sometimes when we're team dinners, we talk about the team trip. We go some other outside the cities and we spend time together, and we cultivate some new ideas. We work do kind of different team building activities. So all those things we have in our organization. Number 6 reason you should come to the organization is you want to do something exciting thing, right? You want to do something, you want to create new thing. You will be always have the opportunity to do anything new, anything creative. We always doing that one too. So all the new ideas, you can make it a reality and practice, and then you can bring your expertise, and which will help you to go to the next level in our organization as well too. So we love new things, we love inspiring new people, and we love taking care of the moving to the next level in the career too. So we always talk about new thing. And the last thing, our model of our business and product model is completely new. It's a very new model and very up-to-date business model. So you will have the opportunity to work on those top world-class new build product models and practice yourself to learn a lot of amazing things. And we can meet the people externally. You can meet the customers. You can meet a lot of other industry experts to learn from them and coach them and also work with them, so which will make your life a lot more exciting daily thing rather than just sitting in a cubicle not doing the new thing. So that is the 7 reason you should join VSHR Pro Academy, because that will make your life an exciting journey. Every day will be something for you to wake up in the morning because you have something exciting thing to do about. Alright, so this is the 7 reasons. If you're watching this video, go to the link and apply for VSHR Pro Academy. And you know what? Come over, let's work together. Apply right now and let's have a conversation, and I would love to work with you. We want to see you in our team. All the best.
Because in that moment, we are not only supposed to be selling the company, but also to show the culture. People should be excited up front that they will go to work with us.